सारा डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करोगे, जो भी डिले हो रहा है, जो भी टाइम लगा रहा है, वो सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल लगाएंगे।
This is pitch perfect. Somebody saying कि यार हम प्लॉटेड बंगलोज दे रहे हैं, प्लॉटेड विलास दे रहे हैं एंड उसमें रेरा भी है, तो इसके पीछे की स्टोरी है। Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of Pitch Perfect. I'm here today, which is a location outskirts of Mumbai, Karjat में हम बैठे हैं, and I'm here meeting one such person, and absolute pleasure of mine to introduce you to Mr. Kirtiraj Sawant. He's the founder and managing director for KSR, which is Kirtiraj Sawant Realty, and they're coming up with this amazing project called Jamrung Valley. To help us with the conversation, there's another person, Aditya Thakur, who's also graced us with his presence. He's joined us also. तो इनसे बात करते हैं, समझते हैं कि व्हाट इज दिस प्रोजेक्ट अबाउट, क्यों आपको यहाँ पे आना चाहिए। वेलकम कीर्ति जी, वेलकम टू द शो। वेलकम आदित्य, थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग आउट द टाइम एंड डूइंग दिस विद अस।
इट्स अ प्लेजर।
सो कीर्ति जी, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट जो KSR है, पहले तो द ब्रांड, इसका आगमन कैसे हुआ? जहाँ तक मैंने आपके बारे में पढ़ा है, जहाँ तक समझा है, सो ही इज बीन इन द इंडस्ट्री फॉर द पास्ट 30 years. ही इज रनिंग एन इंजीनियरिंग फर्म, ही ओन्स एन इंजीनियरिंग फर्म। सर, वहाँ से रियल एस्टेट तक की जर्नी, ये कैसे पिवट आया?
See, basically, I am an engineering graduate from Mumbai University. Having completed, I used to come along with my father, who was a social reformer in this area. He did a lot of developments over here. So I developed a fascination towards plants, land, staying in the nature.
What is Jamrung Valley? If you had to sum it up, क्या है यहाँ पे, क्या आ रहा है?
See, Jamrung Valley is surrounded by mountains. At the same time, it is on hills. So you can say it is in the valley as well as on the hill. Coincidentally or fortunately, it is surrounded with lots of trees. The land is very fertile and there is a close by Solan Dam. So Jamrung Valley is a RERA approved villa project. We are constructing around 40 villas in this project. It is a RERA, collector and bank approved project.
Wow.
That ensures clean documentation.
So for the first time I'm hearing somebody saying कि यार हम प्लॉटेड बंगलोज दे रहे हैं, प्लॉटेड विलास दे रहे हैं एंड उसमें रेरा भी है, तो इसके पीछे की स्टोरी।
So that's actually our USP, okay? He's like, I want to do whatever is clean and clear because I am a man of commitment.
Wow.
So we've come up, like, total we've got 74 plots. 22 villas are approved by RERA, which we've done. Regardless of the sale, 22 villas will be ready in 18 to 24 months. Like we also mentioned, the OC part. आजकल OC तो बॉम्बे में नहीं आता. We've been hearing news. नायगांव में ये तोड़ दिया, ये कर दिया. यहाँ पे all the 3 villas that you see, I think one is in the backdrop as well. Yeah. So we've received the OC for that as well.
Can you give me some details कि कब शुरू किया आपने एंड अब हम क्यों मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं इतना लेट?
See, we started this project in 2018. That time it was not came in market. It came in market only in last year. I first built up 2 wells over here. It has 6 lakhs storage of water capacity. Over and above that, there is a dam water which is continuously fed to the wells.
You actually did the groundwork, literally. You know, groundwater, wells, making sure that the land is purchased properly. I think all documentation
is very clear. यहाँ पे एक स्पेशलिटी है, बिकॉज ऑफ माई इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड, हेवी मानसून में भी, यहाँ पे हेवी मानसून है, कहीं भी आपको वाटर लॉगिंग मिलेगी नहीं। क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है, हमेशा मैं BMC को ब्लेम करता था, तो मैंने बोला कि ये प्रोजेक्ट मेरा है, यहाँ पे कहीं भी वाटर लॉगिंग मिलेगी नहीं। वाटर लॉगिंग नहीं, इसलिए कहीं भी मॉस्किटोज नहीं है। इट इज अ मॉस्किटो फ्री।
ओह माय गॉड सर, आपने बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दिया है लोगों का, क्योंकि आप फॉरेस्ट के करीब आते हैं, नेचर के करीब आते हैं, तो साथ साथ में कौन सबसे बड़ा होता है? मस्कीटोज। एंड विद मस्कीटोज इज आल्सो डिजीजेस।
हाँ, क्योंकि ड्रेनिंग सिस्टम यहाँ पे यूम पाइप बीम टाइप आके सिस्टमेटिक किया है, विच इज बिकॉज ऑफ माई इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड एंड वर्किंग विद द कॉर्पोरेट्स। उसके बाद रेंज जो हमारा जो ईच विला है, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट 1 मीटर फ्रॉम द रोड लेवल।
इंटरेस्टिंग।
हाँ, इसीलिए आपको फिर उनको कभी भी वाटर लॉगिंग का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होगा। लीकेज काफी बार क्या होता है, नीचे से पानी एब्सॉर्ब हो जाता है बारिश में अंदर, साइफनिंग इफेक्ट उसको बोलते हैं। तो यहाँ पे वो मिलेगा नहीं, नीचेपन गिलापन जो होता है वो यहाँ पे मिलेगा नहीं।
You spoke about amenities. I want you to highlight those amenities, please.
You might have seen the hoardings which said white noise therapy, right? So white noise therapy is something wherein we are coming up with the artificial stream Touchwood, we've got a natural contour on the land. The artificial stream, like when we were going around the property, just imagine the water flowing there, so peaceful, calm. You just sit 10-15 minutes by the deck. We've planned it so well that there's a water stream going. Right next to it is the deck. It's a wooden deck. We've preserved the trees and then everything in and around. You just sit there and you just hear. You will find your inner self, yeah. With the drip irrigation, the sprinklers, trust me, this is the exact view from where you will see the sunset in some time. It looks amazing, trust me.
Let's say the villas are all done. हम assume कर रहे हैं कि maybe another 2-3 years at best में पूरा प्रोजेक्ट शायद रेडी हो जाना चाहिए.
हाँ.
जब ये रेडी हो जाता है तो इसका मेंटेनेंस देन गेट्स हैंडेड ओवर टू समबडी या यू वुड लाइक टू कीप द मेंटेनेंस विद यू, कैसा रहेगा इसका?
पहले 5 साल तो मुझे मेंटेन इसलिए करना है, मुझे बताना है कि इट कैन बी मेंटेन्ड वेरी वेल.
Apart from that, actually, people who run, so who come into like these days, Stay Vista and these guys would want, but they would come into revenue sharing. We are looking if we could get something on fixed rental basis and only one operator taking the whole thing. So what happens is your ROI becomes high in terms of rental yield. So that is there. When there is only one person managing the whole inventory, the number of events can be increased. Weddings can be done, corporate events can be done, your haldi function, birthdays, anniversaries, because you saw there's a lot of space, lawns and amphitheaters.
Okay, coming to my second part question, Aditya. One such story of a customer that really stayed. कोई एक ऐसी story?
This one is a bit funny. So वो उनका थोड़ा personal भी है. There is a customer who's just booked with us. They are from US. They stay in Bombay. Like they are doing to and fro. So उन्होंने एक property ली थी अभी पुणे में, and they were staying there. वहाँ पे they saw issue के थोड़े बाल झड़ रहे हैं वो. So उन्होंने देखा तो ये hard water था. So they were telling me हम लोग legit में बड़े बड़े बिस्लरी के कैन लेके हम लोग बाल धो रहे हैं वो. We Mumbaikars are touchwood blessed with soft water. Majority आपको second home में करजत, लोनावला, इगतपुरी you will get hard waters and boring करना ही पड़ता है आपको, right? यहाँ पे there is 2 wells. It's a soft water plus no developer does this. That too at this stage we've got a certificate from the government bodies of the water treatment. Okay, what are the actual levels of water, उसमें क्या क्या है क्या नहीं. Without the purifier we've done that.
Amazing. सर कैसे, मतलब if the entire area has hard water तो यहाँ पे soft water कैसे?
बिकॉज ये एक तो डैम का पानी आता है, डैम में रेन वाटर है.
Right.
रेन वाटर इज ऑलवेज सॉफ्ट.
Right.
दोनों वेल में ये रेन वाटर कलेक्टेड है,
Got it.
एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सॉफ्ट वाटर.
अभी कितना भरा है इसमें? How much
इस
water
वक्त
is
भी पूरे दोनों वेल तक आप देख सकते हो पूरा का पूरा भरा हुआ है.
Trust me, in few years down the line, this is going to be a first home to a lot of people. Because the Mumbai 3.0, it's currently the talk of the town, right?
So मुंबई सिटी से जितना टाइम लगेगा न्यू एयरपोर्ट के लिए उतना ही टाइम यहाँ से भी लगेगा.
यहाँ से भी लगेगा.
इंटरेस्टिंग. कमिंग टू द प्राइस पॉइंट, क्या प्राइस है अभी इसका? व्हाट कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट?
See the price, I'll say the value versus price is very very high. The ticket size starts from 1 CR.
That is very nice.
And there's a combination of 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK.
Right. And sir, आप जब बोलते हैं कि starts with 1 CR, so this includes the whole construction, finishing, everything done.
Complete, ready with lock and key, it will be given.
Amazing. Yeah.
Including the OC.
So 98 lakhs we start. Even the 4 BHK that I'm talking about, do you want to guess the price actually?
I don't know, man. अगर 1 crore for 2 BHK, I'm assuming somewhere around 2.5, 3-ish.
1.55 crore.
What are you saying, man?
4 BHK.
Are you serious right now?
We also have a 3 BHK which is just at 1 crore 20 lakhs. So it
Wow.
starts at 120. We've got one at 140 and then one at 155, 160.
I think
for 4 BHK.
This is purely value for money. Amazing. I think complete है in itself. And thank you so much, sir. आप आए, आपने टाइम निकाला. You came. When you meet a person, you get to know कि how true or untrue they are. And I can tell you, I only met him briefly for 5 seconds. And in those 5 seconds, I knew that he's a trustworthy person. Oversell तो करना ही नहीं है. आ जाओ, देख लो, decide कर लो. And with that, I'll see you guys again in the next episode of Pitch Perfect. Thank you so much.